natuurlijk doorgesluiten. En het was meer dat ik dacht van, ik verbaasde me er eigenlijk meer over. Ik dacht van, het valt wel.
Yeah, forward.
Oh, this is very heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. You. This one medium dark but roasted.
Something like that. Not that early.
No, absolutely.
No, not that early.
Oh, it's a pity.
We should have been here a couple years ago when there was a lot of talking there.
That was 60 years ago. Enjoy your trek.
เขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะไอ้ต้นนั่นน่ะลายแดงหางลายแดง
Like first the light snake. Nou, ik ben blij. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I think these are the tablecloths they're talking about. Yeah.
Oh, these are tablecloths. I thought they were scarves.
Yeah, same. That's why
Maybe they're multifunctional.
I can do whatever you want with it.
พัดปูโตที่นี่ก็ได้อยู่นี่ถ้าอันนี้เป็นพัดคุดเตียวนะใหญ่ๆนะแล้วในพัดยาวนี่ไว้โชว์กดทันได้แล้วอย่าง
Garden people, they moved down from Yangtze River about 1,500 years ago.
So they're also like old people.
Hey, somebody still consider.
I can put my legs up.
Sometimes very dry, too many people.
Let's see.
What is happening there?
Who would like to see inside? Yeah, try.
哎呀，我开开心路公大姐这里找老在里发了，找完木在莫该木莫该到，莫该木莫该土在山林在中。
Close down, it means spirit not come. You have to throw 2-3 times. When it is what up, side like this to both, it means spirit come. His environment come to his ceremony like this. This is important thing. Holy wooden, not normal. อันนี้ท่านจะไม่อย่าง
ไม้นี่คือไม้ที่ว่าต้องไม้ใหญ่
G, you know KFC? You know KFC?
KFC, yeah.
KFC, crispy chicken.
Not KFC.
This is fresh KFC.
KFC.
ตีถ้าบานถ้ามันดีนี่ดีละถ้ามาอ้าเลยเนี่ยพอดีอ้าเลยมีสองหูเท่ากัน แต่ตันหัวนี่มันจะมีหูเดียวเนี่ยคือว่ามันเขาจะได้ทำพิธีต่อกันอยู่
Bamboo shoot. Illogic with mushroom. Bamboo sprout. Can you eat chicken or pork?
Greater, show the plan.
Huh?